Hey guys, what's up? Just here to tell you and show you there's an empty space here. Why? I sold my car. Yep, I sold it. Didn't get much what I wanted for it, but it's gone. And what's funny is I'll show you in a sec. This guy is retarded. Alright, so this guy bought my car, right? Said he wanted it so bad, blah blah blah. But look. He put it on Craigslist for sale for $1,000. Like, what the fuck? We got some dumb people around here.
Damn it. You deal with what the fuck's that? Alright, where's my white one at? What head at?
Upstairs.
You go get it.
On the beanbag.
Go run and get it.
Alright.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna look for this other fucking hat. So.
Here, go up to him. Give it to him.
I'll drive up there.
I'll go up a little bit.
Got cows in the water, got cows on the road. Hanging outside the car. No. You stink. Go. Go. Moo. You bad cows. You get out. They're all stern. What's up, YouTubers?
What? What? I have watched.
You wanna go explore?
We should have brought.
Excuse you.
She's coming to go down for her feet.
We're about to go do some more picture taking.
Okay, bye. I love you.
What up?
Okay, bye.
What?
Do you smoke?
Who? Danny? Sometimes.
You could just.
Why? You guys need more pot?
Need more pot. I've got pot.
Oh,
That's just for him to smoke. Why, is he a pot?
no.
Hey, what?
Sure.
What do you say?
I didn't say nothing.
No.
Well, that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And hit that bell above for more subscriptions. And I'll see you in my next video.
I wasn't one of these guys.
There what?
Is this real?
Yeah.
Or is this me and me?